Hello guys, welcome to my new vlog. Today I will show you fake rain and Sharjah. A place is in Zawaya walk. They do fake rain every hour. You can also go and enjoy. Now we reach the place. There were so many people to enjoy. The place was very beautiful. Before rain, I play with water.
Okay, if you went back to your home today, should you tell your friends and families about what you see today? Yeah, sure. Is it enjoyable?
Look, rain started. Slowly, rain gets heavy. After 5 minutes, they finished the rain. If you like rain, then like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye guys, see you in the next vlog.